Most drivers waste thousands of dollars on big-name tires that barely make it past 40,000 miles. Meanwhile, cheaper, underrated brands are quietly pushing 70,000 miles and beyond with fewer failures, and almost nobody talks about it. Today, we're exposing 13 underrated tire brands that consistently outlast expensive competitors, backed by real tests, real numbers, and long-term wear data. Stay with me till the end because the number one tire on this list shocks even veteran mechanics. Let's get into it. If you drive a car, SUV, or truck, this video can save you serious money. Make sure you subscribe because we break down car myths and smart buying decisions that dealers won't tell you. Number 13. Kumho. Founded in South Korea in 1960, Kumho grew from making just 20 tires a day into a global manufacturer with plants in the US, China, and Vietnam, plus R&D centers across 3 continents. What makes Kumho impressive is value. Several all-season models, like the Kumho Exta, have documented cases exceeding 70,000 miles, despite costing far less than premium brands. Tire Rack long-term testing shows steady tread wear, and Consumer Reports consistently ranks Kumho high for value. They also bring motorsports experience from Formula 3 and TCR racing, tech that improves grip and reduces early wear. Yes, older models had isolated sidewall issues, but warranty claim rates remain under 0.2%. BMW, Mercedes, Volkswagen, and Hyundai trust Kumho as OEM tires, and that says a lot. What's the highest mileage you've ever gotten out of a set of tires? You usually buy premium brands, or have you tried budget ones? Drop the tire brand you're currently using in the comments. I actually read the comments. Let's compare real experiences. Number 12. Falcon. Originally known for performance tires, Falcon completely rebuilt its reputation after early issues decades ago. Today, many Falcon models offer up to 80,000-mile tread warranties, and J.D. Power ranked Falcon number 1 for OE truck and utility vehicle satisfaction in 2024. Their Wild Peak line is especially known for durability under towing, off-road use, and daily driving. Number 11. General Tire. Founded in 1915 and now owned by Continental, General Tire blends old-school toughness with modern engineering. The Grabber series dominates trucks and SUVs, while the Ultimax RT43 has beaten Michelin and Continental models in Consumer Reports testing. Strong, quiet, and long-lasting, especially for the price. If this is useful so far, hit the like button. It helps the channel a lot. Number 10. Toyo. Tested in brutal races like the Baja 1000, Toyo tires are built for real-world abuse. The Open Country line is especially known for slow, even tread wear. Number 9. Cooper. Independent for over 100 years, Cooper built its reputation on durability. The Discoverer AT3 series consistently delivers long tread life even under heavy loads. Number 8. Yokohama. Known for racing but underrated for longevity, orange oil compounds help Yokohama tires stay flexible without sacrificing tread life. Many drivers report strong grip even deep into the tire's lifespan. If you want honest car advice that actually saves money, make sure you're subscribed.
Number 7. Hankook. Once mid-ranged, now competing with premium brands, fleet drivers love Hankook because they survive daily abuse and still last longer. Number 6. Sumitomo. Built for stability and even wear. Budget-friendly, surprisingly solid, and very consistent at highway speeds. Number 5. Firestone. Over 120 years of history. The Destination series is especially strong for SUVs and trucks, offering steady wear and dependable grip. Number 4. Laufen. Owned by Hankook but priced much lower. Great daily driver tires with solid comfort and lifespan. Number 3. Nexen. OEM supplier for BMW, Porsche, Volkswagen, Hyundai, and more. Often 30 to 40% cheaper than premium brands with excellent comfort and durability. Number 2. GT Radial. Sold in over 130 countries. Strong value, EV-ready designs, and official race tire for the 2025 Subaru BRZ Super Series. Quick question. Do you trust OEM tires more than aftermarket ones? Comment yes or no. Number 1. Uniroyal. Founded in 1892 and known as the rain tire. Uniroyal's shark skin-inspired tread design evacuates water faster, drastically reducing hydroplaning, rivaling far more expensive tires. Backed by Michelin in North America and Continental in Europe, Uniroyal delivers outstanding wet safety, long tread life, and fair pricing. While others spend millions on marketing, Uniroyal quietly delivers one of the best all-around tire values on the market. Most drivers believe dangerous tire myths that cost them money and safety.